see the trees around. And guess what? It's for a very renowned Nigerian. I'm not going to mention his name. I'm going to do this video specially to him. And we appreciate him for trusting us. I mean, this is to our own dear Dr. Olumide Emmanuel. Come and see. His name is right on the corner piece. Dr. Olumide Emmanuel. This was in 2022 also. And see the trees. No mortality at all. No mortality. No mortality. That is Palmrich Estate. I believe by now you have enough confidence to know that the Palmrich Estate project is one that can be trusted and that you can partner with us. And when we say partner with us, be active. Come here to visit your land, inspect it yourself. We are going to give you a report, but you can come here. And someday in the future, the children can come and play under the trees. Yes, enjoy the cool breeze of Nigeria with very, very much trees to play under, while they are also earning from those trees. Just like me, I played under those trees. The trees paid my tuition when I was in school. When my father died when I was age 14, these trees, I played under them in my village. Not just playing under them, they earn passive income for my family, to pay our tuition, to pay our houses, to support our living. And what am I saying? This project, this investment is transgenerational. And this is real estate. This is agro real estate. This is Nigeria giving the world a value that is inestimable. Carbon credits being earned here, supporting the ozone layer, food being produced to supply, raw material from palm oil, palm kernel, and every other produce coming here, supplying industries globally, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, food and beverages. This is Palmrich Estate. Thank you.